Good day, guys. Being here. Today let's try this one. Okay, so we are going to use a pattern-based family. And also we are going to use a little bit of a Dynamo. And let's start. And also I'm going to use 2022 now. Okay, so first let's create a new. So it will be, let's just use generic model pattern based. So, actually, let's just do the mass first. So the mass will be we're going to use conceptual mass because model in place mass won't work with Dynamo. Okay, so we need to use conceptual mass. So in this conceptual mass, so it's very simple. Just draw a line, or you can any line, curve the line, or maybe just a straight line, and then create a form. Okay, so this is it. And then if we want to increase the height, just type in number. So this is the wall, and select this face and use divided surface. Okay, so and then you can pick a pattern. So for this triangular shape, so it's this triangle, so we can use flat. Okay, so triangle flat, and we need to adjust the grids. So you can see in this image, I think that's like what are they called? Three equal size. So 60 degree. So let's try to use, instead of a fixed number, we're going to use fixed distance for both. Okay, so for both. And okay, so let me try to, so for example, I'm not sure which one, this one, so this grid, and then to try to adjust this to get those equal edge. I think we can try this. Let me think. Equals 2 meter divided by I'll try SQRT square root of 3. Try that. Apply. That's it. Okay. So then now and also we need to see this little bit angle there. Just typing a number, so for example 30. Yeah, and that's it. Well, actually, I'll try to reduce the number because my computer is a bit slow. So maybe instead of this, I'll just type this 4 and the same. I'll just copy Control C equals this times 2. So we'll reduce the number by to 25% of previous. Okay, so now we need to go create a pattern-based family. So new. Sorry, we already have one here. So this is a pattern-based family. So we just need to first change the pattern to the same triangular, and don't worry about the shape. Okay, so it will automatically match this. So what we need to do is we need to create the panel. So if you look carefully, so you will see these panels, they are not just flat. There's an offset. I think it's quite random, so go up, down. Okay, so what we're going to do is, so place point, use draw on work plan, set work plan onto the work plan and place a point, set, and place a point, set, and place a point. So now we have, so not this adaptive point. Okay, so not this one, but if you move your cursor onto the point, try to see until you highlight the point, this one. Okay, so and then so this point can be offset from this adaptive point. Okay, same this one and this one. So if we type in a number, it will offset from the point. So now we're going to create some parameters. So it will be let's call it offset 1, for example, instance, and OK, and OK. And this one will be, let's OFS2 instance. OK, OK. And this one will be OFS3 instance, and OK, and OK. So now we can connect. So select 2 points, create a spline through point, make it reference line. So again, this point and this point, spline through points, reference line. This one and this one, spline through points, reference line. So now we select these 1, 2, 3 reference line. We can create a solid form. Okay, so pick the one on the left, and then we can just type in a number. So I'll just type in 20. So if you want to control thickness, you can just create a parameter. So you can select this one, just create a parameter. Okay, so you can control the thickness as well. So, and we will need to create a parameter for the materials. So I'll just call it material. And because we're going to use Dynamo to randomize it, so we're going to use instance parameter. Okay. And this is it. So now if I load this in here and select this pattern of a divided surface, and here, so you will see this family. So pick it. Now this is it. So you will see currently all the settings. So if you tab, select one of the family, you will see this offset. So if I type in a big number, you will see it will offset a bigger, greater distance. Okay, so same. Oh, that's too much. And yeah, and now, so this is it. So then we can just go in, use Dynamo to randomize it. And before that, I wanted to, I'm not going to create all these patterns because I think that's too much. This will significantly slower your computer. I don't recommend you model all these patterns. Just I think better to use material instead. So you can create some patterns to indicate, oh, that's a bigger, pattern, and that's a smaller spacing, bigger spacing. Yeah. Okay. So now let's go. Let's try Dynamo. So manage Dynamo. So yeah, it's a bit slow. Okay, Dynamo here. Okay, so new. So first we need to, let's change this to menu. Okay, so first family type. Okay, it's already there. Family type. Find your family. So family 1 and all family, I believe, family in that family type. Maybe it's easier to go here. So Revit under selection, all element of family type. Connect and run. So it will give us a list of all these panels, 110, and then we can set parameter by name. Okay, set parameter by name. So we will need 3 because we have 3 points for each panel. So let's link this and name. So I'm just going to offset 1. Okay, and just OFS2 and OFS3. And so these are the 3 parameters. So connect this to this, Control C, Control V, and then link this to Control V, and link this to offset 3. And then we need to create a list of all the number, all the offset. So I'm going to use, I think from 0 to maybe 500 every. So make sure it's more than 110 because we have 110 panels. So every 3, if I use every 3, it will give us, yep, I think that's enough, 167. So if I link this one to here, link this to here, link to this here, because currently it's not randomized, so it will probably will be a, yeah, it's not, no, it's not good. So let's just shuffle it, SUF shuffle, or SH, sorry, right click, SHU shuffle. And I think, sorry, because this is a new version, so I'm using 2022, and then the Dynamo is also new. So we have this one, which is good. We can use create a seed for it, so can change just change the list. So I'll just link this to this and link this to this. So if I link all three and run, and it will say, okay, so we have some warning here. What's this? Not quite sure. Probably we need a seed or something. Still not good. So you will see. So because we use the same, I think we're having the same offset to every point. So it's quite boring. So you can see it's offset the same amount for each point of the panel. So maybe we can, I think we can, so instead of, have one, we can create three, and we just give them different seed. For the seed, I'm not quite sure. I will try integer. I'll try integer slider and give it 1 to 100. That's fine. So, but I'll just Control C and create three different ones. So for example, add this at 15, this one's 47, this one at 73. So to make sure the result of this list, the shuffle list, are different. Okay, so I'll give this to the first one, and then give this to the second, and the last one, and run. And let's see what happens. Okay, so now you will see it's not more randomized, and also so you can also increase or reduce this. So for example, I want to increase the offset, so instead of 500 as maximum, so I'll change this to 1 meter as maximum. So but I don't want to increase to the number, so I'll just also increase this number, so we still have slightly more than 100, but you can increase. Oh, that's a little bit too much. So maybe I'll just change this back to 600, and I'll just change it to this 5 and run. And yeah, I think that's it. And also you can always, for example, this I don't want this gap. You can always manually go inside, and then like I'll just type in 0, yeah, something like that. Okay, so because this the Dynamo is on manual only, it only runs when you click on this run. It won't automatically change. If you have this on automatically, I don't think you probably won't be able to adjust it manually, because it will always automatically change it back. Okay, so this is for the offset, and then we can do the material as well. So before you do the material, so you need to create the material. So I'll just quickly create some. Okay, so rename material 1. Let's call it M1, and I'll just duplicate M2, duplicate M3, and duplicate M4. So, and then you can just, so I suggest just do pattern. Okay, so, and if you really want to use Revit to render, or you can try to create this not here, sorry, appearance. On the appearance, you can try to create the pattern, create the, so for example, cut out to create those perforation, but I'll leave it to you. Okay, so for today, so we're just going to use surface pattern. So for example, for M1, I'll just try to find a pattern. So there's not many options because this is in the conceptual mass. So maybe I'll just create one. So for example, for material 1, I'll just call it M1 pattern, maybe crosshatch. So yeah, probably not. You can try some tool. So for example, I think PY Revit, you can create your custom pattern. So if you wanted to, you can have a try. So and cross, for example, this one, I'll just set it at 500, for example. Oops, 500 by 500. Okay, so this is M1. Okay, go to M2, and then click on this model. Select this M1, duplicate. Let's call it already M2. And then, so for example, this one change to 300 by 300, and okay. Okay, so M3, click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this. M3, 200 and 200, and okay, and okay. M4, go here, model, M3, duplicate, 100 by 100. So now we have all the different patterns for these four materials. So we can assign. So if you manually do it, you can also do it like this. You can select multiple panel, and then here, because the material parameter is an instance, so you can type in M1, and that's it. So if you zoom in enough, you will see the pattern, right? And then, so this is how you manually do it. But if you can also use this family types. So it's very simple. I'll just copy this. So we need a family type and all elements of family type. Control C, Control V. And also we need this one as well. Set parameter by name. I'll break all the links and link this back to element. Parameter name, double click. So it's material. So make sure that the capital and the lowercase is all matching, material, and the value. Okay, so value will be we need to create a list with all the four materials. So first we need to write the name M1, M2. Yeah, I'm not quite sure if whether there's a better way to do this. Please let me know if you know a better, easier way to directly create a list of all these. But yeah, I know I can do this. I create a list, and then I don't think there must be a better way to do it. So now this is a list with, if I click on run, you will see this is a list of 4 names. So make sure these are the name text. Okay, they are not material. So if I go right click, search material by name, see this one, by name. So this will convert this name into material. So now they are material. They can be assigned to this. But 4 is not enough. We need 100, more than 100. So I'll just cycle it. 4 times 30 should be enough. So I just use 30. Okay, so now it's enough. And then we just need to shuffle it. And also with the seed. Okay. And for the seed, I'm going to use the integer slider. So I'll just borrow this one, Control C, Control V, link to the seed, and then list to value. And also I want to, for this one, I want to, sorry, what's going on here? I wanted to break here. So this part, I still have them here, but it won't work because it's broken here. I want to run this on automatic. Okay, so this way every time I change this one, it will change all the material. So now, if I'm zooming, so yeah, it's a little bit hard to see. Let's try HL. Yeah, I think that's better. So now, and every time I click on this one, it will change the material, right? Okay, and then the last one. So in here, so some of the panels are missing. So easiest way to do it, you can just tab select and delete them. Okay, so delete. Oh, hang on. Looks like we can't delete. Hang on. Don't worry. Oh, can we? Did I? No. Did I delete? Yeah. Hang on. Still there. Okay. So if we can't delete, but don't worry, we can hide them. And not EH. Okay, so not EH, not hide in view. But so because this is a conceptual mass, it's basically a family. So we can select mount. So for example, I want to, hang on, what's going on here? It's gone. I think I deleted, but somehow, anyway, maybe we can, but so this is how you can do it. So for example, I'll select multiple. So for example, I want to delete this. So just go here, see this visible? If you uncheck it, they looks like they are still there, but once you load this into a project, it will be invisible. And also you can just try this one. So preview visibility. Sorry, on. And then you will see they are gone. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all for today. So let's recap. So we create this panel with a different offset at different point, and we create all the materials, different material with different pattern, and we also tried to use Dynamo to randomize the offset. Okay, so I just this is for the offset, and also this is for the material, so all very basic, right? And also because this is a new version, so we have a shuffle. We have a seed for the shuffle, which is very good, I believe. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Yeah, okay. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.